So welcome to the Realistic Viewer channel. VidCon is here again and with a couple of new upgrades for YouTube content creators. YouTube is now releasing a couple of updates to make your channel function as a standalone website. What am I talking about? If you have the subscribers, they've set up a collaboration with Teespring in case you want to get merchandise on your channel. You can sell it directly while on the YouTube page. This option is now directly available for content creators that have 10,000 subscribers and if they live in the US, but they're planning to slowly roll it out for content creators in other countries. Now, the second thing that they also are going to release out of beta is the option to get sponsored on your channel. If you want more information in regards to that, I made a full video and you can check out the card that's coming up. But in a short way, if you have a channel with 100,000 subscribers, you can enable the sponsor button and you can get $4.99 sponsored if somebody is interested in sponsoring your channel. And the third upgrade will be premieres for your normal uploads. So what that means is you can get a short announcement to indicate when there will be a new video uploaded and give your audience the opportunity to live chat about the video under the page that it will be launched on. In case you want me to make a video about strategies on how to do that, drop it down in the comment section below. But these were a couple of interesting upgrades that they are going to do on the YouTube page. If you have comments, interests, or topics, leave them down in the comment section below. If you're new, subscribe as we talk about YouTube, marketing, sales, and self-development on the channel. I upload weekly and I'll see you in the next video. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel helping you achieve more.